In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Make.com and VAPI to ensure a seamless integration. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this guide will help you connect these tools effortlessly. Let's dive in and get your setups working smoothly. First, let's focus on enabling your scenario in Make.com. Navigate to your scenario and make sure it's open and ready to go. Spot the On button, click it. This important step activates the scenario, putting it in a listening mode. Next, click Run Once. This feature is a handy way to check that Make is set to receive incoming webhook requests from VAPI. It's like opening a door and inviting information in. Your scenario will now be ready to receive data when you test it later. Once your scenario is up and running, we need to grab that webhook URL in Make. Click to add a new module within Make and select Webhooks. Then, choose Custom Webhook and click Add. Make will generate a unique webhook URL for you. It'll look something like this: https hook.eu1 make.com x86x. Go ahead and copy this URL because it's the critical link between your Make scenario and VAPI. Now that you have your webhook URL, it's time to switch over to the VAPI dashboard. Open your assistant there, which is where we'll set things up. Head over to Tools and opt to add a new one. This new tool will essentially send your data over to Make. Configuration here is quite straightforward. Make sure the method is set to post, the URL is the webhook URL you've just copied, and the content type should be JSON. This ensures the data package you send is correctly formatted for Make to interpret. It's crucial to get your parameters correct for Make to process them efficiently. Parameters are like the pieces of information or data that you want to send over. For example, you might have parameters like name or phone. When configuring these in VAPI, the names of your parameters must match exactly with the field names expected by Make. For instance, if Make is expecting phone, ensure your VAPI parameter also says phone and not phone number. This attention to detail prevents miscommunication between the systems. With the parameters set, it's time to test the webhook. Go back to Make and click Run Once again, just to ensure everything's ready. Then initiate a test call or chat within VAPI. If everything's set up correctly, you'll see that Make receives your test data almost instantly. A successful test ends with a message saying, "Successfully determined bundle," confirming your systems are communicating perfectly. And there you have it. Your Make.com and VAPI integration should now be up and running smoothly. Following these steps methodically ensures a strong connection and minimizes troubleshooting down the line. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.